We're with our second participant here, Lisa. Lisa.
Hi. Hi, Matt.
Hi. We're going to take you through this app and we're going to give you instructions to see how the app flows. So the
Okay.
first thing that we want to do is go and open the application by clicking on its icon. It's the Check It app.
Okay. Right here. And just click
Okay,
on
and
it?
click.
Okay.
All right. So from here, we're at the sign in.
Okay.
Every app sometimes has a sign in unless they remember you,
Right.
which you'll see, there is a remember me. But let's just say for all purposes that you forgot your password.
Okay.
All right. And you're gonna. What would you do if you forgot your password?
Click on forgot password.
Okay.
Should I do it?
Yes. All right. So you forgot your password and you're going to start filling in the fields.
Okay.
All right. So in this particular case, we just simulated this keyboard here.
Okay.
So you would start, of course, you'd be using your finger.
Right.
In this case, you'd start clicking on the keyboard to
Okay.
fill it in.
Okay. And so I noticed it was John Doe.
Well, just click on the keyboard to fill it in. Okay? And usually when you're done filling it in, we just already filled it in.
So just click done.
Good, yes. And then,
Return to login.
yes, because you will have then gone to your email and
Right.
retrieved the password.
Okay.
And then you can go back and yes, you could. You would
put
fill that
the new
in.
information there. Remember me for next time and then log in.
Correct.
Okay.
Great. All right, so now this is your task list.
Okay.
And this is what the app is all about, is keeping your tasks for the day. We programmed in the today. So we want you to add a task to today.
Okay. So I would just click on the plus.
Good. And then, of course, the keyboard would come up because you need to type something in.
Okay.
And so we already typed it in, and so you would hit.
So this would be what I'm adding.
Yes.
And I just click. So pretend I said pick up dry cleaning, then done.
Thank you. And for this purpose, we added just 3 more.
Okay.
Okay. So you're with us so far. Of the keyboard comes up, you type something in, done, it goes away. Okay. And so for this purpose, let's say we want to get the details for picking up the dry cleaning.
So click on the arrow.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So this brings you to some details of that particular task. And you can see that it's due at 5:30. You would have input these on another page. But on this particular page, we want to set a reminder.
Okay. So we'd click on remind.
Okay? Great. And so on all iPhones, this box comes up that you would pick what time it is. We already filled this in that it would, you want to remind yourself 5:30 p.m. So,
I'd set it.
okay. See, this is very intuitive so far.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Really good.
Good. So next, I think that we will set up priority.
Okay. So I click on priority.
Great. And it's set at standard right now, meaning it's just
Something that needs to be done.
yes. And we're going to keep it that way.
Okay.
We're not going to change it.
So click done.
Great.
Okay.
All right. And one more thing we're going to do on this panel is we're going to invite a friend.
So click invite.
Yes. So you don't know what this is, so you need more information on it. How would you get that?
Get details.
Okay.
And then
You can click that because it's a link. So on this particular thing, I know it's Greek text, you can't read what it is, but really what this area is comprised of is that you invite people in, and you have like a competition to see who achieves it first, and you get points and a reward. It's like to help you keep inspired to
Okay.
keep going. All right, so you can either start an invite or just not. You pick which one.
I'll start an invite.
Okay, so you want to fill in the fields.
So I do it myself or just click?
You'll go ahead.
Okay.
And we've already set in, so we just forego the
Okay. That's stuff.
the keyboard right now.
Okay.
And so you either want to,
Send
how
it.
would you finish?
If
Great.
I wanted that person to be invited,
Yep.
I'd send.
Great.
Okay.
And so then what comes
Close.
up is this.
It tells you completed it, and then it gives you a good luck message, and then you could click close.
Great. All right, so now we're back to the task. So we've done all of those things on this page. Why don't we now sign up for rewards?
Okay. So I'm done with this part. Oh, and then I'd go down here to sign up for rewards.
Okay.
So the arrow.
All right. And what the rewards are, each time you finish a task, you get this reward, and then you can redeem it. So we want you to choose what areas are important to you. So
Can I check the ones I want?
you could.
Okay. I'm going to say I want
All
coffee.
right. So,
Oh, it filled it in.
well, we filled it in,
Okay.
but we added a few more.
Okay.
Okay? But
Sounds
you did
good.
cool, and everybody seems to want coffee.
Yeah, that was my
so
topic.
That was okay. So then you would do what?
So if I want this to happen, I'd have to submit it.
Great.
Okay.
All right. So we did all that, and let's just now look at a few more things about this whole program here.
Okay.
Let's say you want to look at the menu for the whole piece. Where would you go?
Up here.
Well, click on it.
Nothing is happening.
Okay.
So I won't
You
give
can
up.
click on that one then.
There's the dates. That's a calendar.
Okay.
So for this whole thing, maybe up here?
Okay. All right. So yes.
Okay. So with this
So
this
the,
one.
the two that you clicked before that, just to tell you, were list view and calendar view.
Okay.
So I think so at any rate, we'll move forward. So now you have these items, and how about if we go and to the settings.
Okay. It's down here.
All right, and let's look at feedback. Let's get feedback on this.
Okay, so arrow.
Okay, and you have an idea that you want to send to them.
To give them feedback. So I
Yes.
click the idea
Okay,
icon.
great, and we'll say for all
I
purposes
type
you
it in
typed
here.
it in.
Okay. Email would go here
Mm-hmm.
and then submit it.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right, and now there's one more thing we could do that takes place. I don't know if I should lead you, but we want to redeem one of your reward coupons.
I want to redeem. So it's not going to be in settings, so I'd go back here. Sign up for rewards. So choose rewards. No.
Okay.
Let's see. Let me try this again. Tasks and my rewards.
Great.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I see.
All right. And so you're going to
Look, I wanna-
redeem the ice cream one.
Okay. So I click redeem.
Okay.
Ah,
and
there's a
so
coupon.
on your phone comes up this coupon that
Okay.
they can scan in, and And each reward would come through that way.
Okay.
And so that is basically it for this prototype. Maybe two more things.
Okay.
You can
Close this.
You could, yes. But we have these two other icons up there. And maybe from looking around, you might be able to tell me they're up in the upper left. What those would, upper right, what they would be.
Right here.
Yeah, what do you think?
Rewards.
Okay, and what do you think the other one to its left is?
This one.
Yes.
The invites.
Yes. Okay. And that was through recognition of the detail page icon that you remembered that. Okay, so we're done with this prototype, and we're going to have a few questions about it and how
Okay.
you felt about using it.
Okay.
So we're done with this one.
Sounds
so
good.
thank you.
You're welcome.